Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and on this episode, we're going to talk about Gala Games, ticker symbol Gala, and we're going to see what's going on right here. Because if you look at this chart and you understand technical analysis, there's something really big going on right here, and we're going to get into it in this video. But first, what we're going to do is hit that like and subscribe button so we can really get that YouTube algorithm pumping us out to a lot of people. All right, so let's get into it. So what's going on right here is this is when it was added to Coinbase, all right? And it immediately had that Coinbase effect where it just blew up. This is when everything was hot though. So, remember November? This is like crypto was like awesome. The world wasn't like a horrible place like it is right now with everything going on, which is like honestly affecting crypto. Because this is like a side note, but unfortunately what's happening in crypto is it's following the stock market, and gold is up, oil's up, and that's because when we have wars and like economic crisis, it would make sense for crypto to go up. Oh, okay, the dollar's inflation, let's hedge against inflation. Bitcoin, no, it's not doing that. It's following the S&P, and it's annoying. But Bitcoin's headed north again. Looks like we're holding this line really well. This is Bitcoin right now. And it's kind of just this trend line. I guess it could go all the way back to here. Has been holding pretty good. So it's looking like we're headed north. And if we do, guess what happens to Gala Games? It breaks out of here. And when it breaks out of here, everyone's going to see a break out of here. We're instantly going to get 20%. But 20% would only have it here. It's very likely it'll do more than that, because 20%, say we got it to like here, yeah, that'd be okay. But then the next level of resistance is here. If it goes to there, that's almost 100%. That's really good. And if Bitcoin stays hot, this is going to absolutely fly. In my opinion, by looking at this chart, this is one of the best opportunities in crypto right now. Because if Bitcoin goes up 20%, this is going to go up like 200%. And some of the other cryptos that I talk about in my other videos that I really like, Solana, Ethereum engine. Well, engine's an exception. That'll go up a lot. But like Ethereum, Solana, things like that, they might go up 50%. They might go up 40% if Bitcoin goes up 20%. If Bitcoin goes up 20%, this is going to fly. This is going to be the one that has absolutely insane growth. It's just because we've been begging to break through this, and it wants to break through this. I think the value's there. Plenty of good games coming out. But it's just this line. Look at how many times it's tried to hit this line. Tried to hit it here, and then here, and a few times here, and now here. And this could be the breakout right here. If we can get to like 24 cents right now, it's going to fly. Unless, of course, Bitcoin dies and it does a fake little. But I'm just saying, if Bitcoin turns around and Bitcoin has a 10% week, this is going to fly. And I'm just warning you. So you can look at this all you want. We'll look at the Bollinger Bands too. See, it's right in there where it's just kind of right in the middle of it. The volume's okay. The volume's not great. Nobody's like going nuts about crypto right now. Everybody's a little worried. We're not in a good time with this war going on. It's like not ideal for crypto. Like a lot of people say hedge against inflation with crypto and Bitcoin. It's not working right now. Whenever the financial industry gets screwed, crypto seems to go along right with it. I'll show you what I mean. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. Boom. Since early November, it's just been headed down south. Now, let's look at this. Let's look at SPY. Since November, it's been headed. Well, it didn't really fully take effect, but Bitcoin kind of started falling first. But this has been falling pretty much this entire year. So So, I mean, that's all I can say about that. Here's when the year started. So this is when the stock market really started falling. So, I mean, it doesn't correlate exactly, but I've noticed that when the stock market's on fire, crypto's on fire. When the stock market's bad, crypto's bad. And it's just been kind of doing that for better, for worse. It doesn't make sense. Doesn't seem rational because crypto should be hedging against the current economic systems, which is stocks. You would think that, but it's kind of the same people investing, especially now that a lot of hedge funds have, a lot of money managers have their hands in the game. So, you know, the best advice I can give anybody is look at charts, understand how to read these, because you can make money regardless, whether it's bullish, bearish, as long as you understand these charts. The same kind of things keep repeating themselves over and over again, which is why when I made this video, I'm talking about Gala, this is such a good, unbelievably good wedge pattern right here. It's like perfect. All it needs to do is break out of here on strong volume and it's going to absolutely fly. I'm telling you right now. Now, what I am telling you, first of all, this isn't investment advice, but what I'm telling you is this is going to break out if Bitcoin goes north. If Bitcoin doesn't stay bullish, all bets are off. But if this breaks out and Bitcoin also shows bullish momentum, if it goes to here and then falls to here, don't tell me I was wrong. All right, first of all, because a lot of times you only get 20% out of it. Now, granted, with crypto, a lot of times there's more. Like you'll get like here, it's not that unlikely. This is the reason why I keep betting on Gala, is because if it goes to here, that's 100%. You could really get 100% in under a month here. And I think that if it doesn't go to there, it's going to go to like 18 cents. So the risk reward is you could lose like 20% or you gain 100%. And this is probably going to happen one of those two scenarios within the next month or two. So I'm just making this video to let you know that if it breaks out of this, and it kind of is like, it's so close. I can't say that it's broken it yet because it hasn't. It hit it and then kind of bounced. But if it stays bullish and it just ends up like right here on like March 9th, that's the breakout. And then everyone who reads charts like me will buy it because it broke out. See, one of the reasons why these breakouts work, if you wonder why, why is a breakout work? This imaginary line break, so it goes up. Yeah, it's because so many people are looking at it and everyone who's reading the chart say, oh, it broke out. So when it breaks out, you buy it because it broke out. Everybody else buys it because it breaks out. And the reason you're buying it because of the breakout is because you know that the other traders are going to see the breakout and then they're going to buy. See, it's that simple. It's the reason why a lot of times it gets stuffed, because right now you don't want to be the buyer right here. Like, you know, a lot of people don't want to be the first one to be buying right here because it could get rejected and go all the way down to here. But once it breaks and it's like confirmed that it broke out, that's when everybody jumps on board. So, you know, just a quick video, let you know what I think is going to happen with Gala, and best of luck.